Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Mandala profile and earn the reward in the near future by staking your NFT. Mandala, they have the Cryptonauts NFT, and now you can create a profile. After that, you are able to have the passive staking while you can get that from their app. So I'm going to show you how you can set up the profile and also how to set up on Discord. So on their website, you can click your profile, put your name, and here you can select the NFT and the different clans. There are in total 12 clans, and each of them has different feature. And for example, Dolphin is for the education, and I think I'm doing the Web3 education, so I plan to choose Dolphin. But actually there are several others like Spider for the technology and innovation is also quite cool. So I'm going to pick the Dolphin this time, and then I'm going to exit, and you can see your identity. So after you set up this one, now you need to go back to their Discord. I will post all the links below the video. So you should put the command link clan app profile, put your address, your MetaMask address, and after you put the address, now you have to go back and find the code for the Discord. And so that's on the website, and then you should put register and put the address and also the code you find on their app. And after that, now your Discord and your profile, they are linked, so you should be able to access more channels in the Discord. Then you can also get your clan badge. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Hopefully it is helpful for you to set up the profile. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.